Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are gated offers and how do you design the gated offers. When you have to move your prospects from the stage of simply prospect to becoming the lead, you have to opt for gated offers, which require prospects to share their contact information to get access to the value you will be providing to them. Contact information such as the name, email address, industry or the organization, title, and so on can be asked. White papers, demos, checklists. This type of content can be in the form of videos, ebooks, demos, case study, checklist, audio recording, live webinar, and so on. Although gating the content is not always the best strategy in the acquisition stage because all may not be comfortable sharing their information in the first trial. The gated offers can be a free trial. Now, the general connotation goes that if something is free, might not be valuable, which is quite wrong. A free offer is basically made when you want people to try your product or the services for a limited amount of time. The strategy to ask the personal details from your audience is to get permission from your audience to basically follow up with them. This gives your audience the reason to know that the product or the service that you have just offered is valuable for them, and this you have rendered simply free. Here, when the prospect has given his valuable time to your product or service, you at your end also need to render or deliver value so that the long-term relationship can be built. Now the key over here is the gated offers must provide solution to the specific problem. The more specific you are, the more relevant your offer is to your audience. Personalization is the key to attract the right leads. Number 2 is make the value proposition clear on the landing page. Explain why the gated content is valuable. Which problem can it solve? What benefit will the user gain? What information will it provide? The form which asks the personalized information can be kept on the landing page or the blogs or the websites, depending upon the software you use or its features. Now we're going to talk about what must be covered in your gated content. Number 1 is high quality content. The gated offer must provide value and relevant content which addresses a specific pain point or solves the problem of your target audience. For example, ebook, webinar, checklist, template, etc. Number 2 is compelling headline. Now here, use a grabbing headline that communicates the problem-solving aspect. Highlight the problem-solving aspect of your content. Number 3 is engaging description. Use concise and persuasive description to highlight the key benefits of your gated content. Convey over here why it is worth to download or access. Number 4 is CTA or call to action. Phrases such as download now, get instant access, or sign up for free must be displayed prominently and should be clearly visible. Number 5 is eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality images, graphics, videos that complements your content. Number 6 is trust indicators. Now this is something very essential. Build trust by including factors such as privacy policy, risk testimonials, logos of trusted clients and partners, and so on. Trust is essential. So tell your users that their data is safe. Well-planned follow-up is very necessary. Sending a thank you email, nurturing email series to engage and convert the leads is beneficial. Number 8 is analytics and tracking. Use analytic tools to measure the conversion rates, impact on your goals, etc. Last is feedback mechanism. Now, regularly checking the performance of your gated offer and then simultaneously making improvements based upon the feedback or the data you have works the purpose. Gated offer, when used strategically, is a very valuable and effective tool, and it will definitely increase the growth of your business. Thank you.